This is the video about pad read and pad write. If there's some data that you want, you can put it on your clipboard and then come here and click on pad read. Now if there's something already in the text box, you can right click, say select all, right click again and say delete it. Then you can come here and paste what was on your clipboard into the box here. When you've done that, then you click up here. When done, click here. Now that text is on page 61. So I'm going to click on page text, go to page 61, and here is the text that was on my clipboard. I've now entered it in to the PCODE program onto page 61. All pad reads use page 61. All pad writes use page 61. From here, of course, I can copy it as green copy. Copy it, store it, and now I can retrieve it in any other of my pages. Alright, that is pad read. Now we're going to do a pad write. I'm going to erase this. I'm going to go back to where it is. When you save your program, it will put it into page 61. Especially important is I'm going to save the application, but I'm going to put it as a U, so it'll make HTML out of my program. So I click on U, and then I click on pad write, and down here you will see the HTML file for my program. Now all I have to do, right click, select all, right click again and say copy, and then you want to put it into Notepad. First I can click I'm done here. I'm going to go to Notepad, click on Notepad. This is an empty one. I right click it and I paste it in there. Now it went to the very end, so first we can look down here at the very bottom. It says end of script, end of body, end of HTML. So this is an HTML file. So let's go to the top of it, and we see it starts out less than HTML, and the header, the title, and so forth. This is an HTML file, and your browser can read it and run it. All you have to do then, though, is tell it where it's located at. Right? This is one of the uses for pad write. However, you can put anything into page 61 and then say pad write, and then click on it there to put it on your clipboard and put it where you want. Alright, that's the end of this video on pad read and pad write.